Good day everyone, we have this multimedia head unit from the car Honda Civic 2011 and today we will install here Bluetooth module. But before that we still need to activate the AUX function. Button there is, but when you press it nothing happens. And in order for AUX to become active you need to do a little manipulation with the board. Now everything is connected in this way. Bluetooth module will be installed inside the case. On the power supply, the gray wire is minus. Next to it, yellow, power plus, and another yellow, ACC. To activate the AUX, we need to short the 6 and 16 pins on the 20-pin connector. Just solder a jumper between them. And now the AUX function appears. The module power supply is a bit more complicated than I would like. I tried to find a line of 5 volts and it seems to be there, but when you connect the Bluetooth board, the voltage drops to 1 volt. So I found where the 8 volts appears. The voltage goes through a 5 volt stabilizer, then through a power decoupler to protect against interference. Now when you press the power button, the module switches on. The result is this. Repeat, it's not hard.
Посмотри, как весь мир тебе светит. Сори, что я не ценил раньше такие моменты. Сори, что себя